Okay, rocket number 1. It's very tiny with a very tiny engine. Trying out our new lightweight rocket launch pad. All right.
Green, yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
Nice. Here she comes.
Good, but it probably won't.
That's a fall.
Yeah, it's going straight down. I was hoping it would punch through the...
All right, here we go. Casper loading up our next largest rocket, known as the Buzz. This is a little teeny weeny engine, a little A. Not sure if it's enough power to launch this rocket, but we're going to give it a try. All right.
Green, yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Is this part of the...
Nope, that is, some things broke. Yeah, that is true. All right, here we go, loading up a rocket made out of a new material for rockets, ABS. All right, cool. It's a little bit lighter than the other materials. Rough Bergfeld, future so bright, he's got to wear shades. All right.
All right. Green, yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's separated. Part 1. And then part 2 coming down slowly. Boom. That'll be back. That'll be back. All right, this is a longer rocket using the new engine retainer cap here. All right. I think this is a high flyer. We'll see. I can't remember once I get out. All right, Alex Miner, guest launcher for this particular day. Okay.
Green, yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh. That did not deploy. Okay, this rocket here is fully clear, made out of transparent PET G, except for the fins.
Yep.
See how it goes.
Yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
That was the high one. Wow! It's coming down. Not deploy. Oof! Wow, that's a lot of pieces. That is a lot of pieces. All right, a little bit of wind kicking up. This is PET G plus PLA with Doug Igniter. Okay.
Yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh. Oh, there she goes. Ooh, that's a good one.
Oh, that's all smoke.
Oh, did not deploy.
Where is it? I lost it.
In the tree.
No, I.
This looks like a D rocket. Big one. It's gonna be a high flyer, we think.
No, I go at. I just
go, Alex.
It doesn't matter. Alex Miner, guest launcher here on Rocket Day. Here we go.
Green, yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
Wow, man, that one went. It's still going. Poof. All right, watch out, boys and girls.
That's fragmented.
There's 2 pieces.
I see one.
Yeah, that one is having a
The squirrely one's coming down.
Oh, and there's a. Oh, there's one over
That's
there.
half of it. Tree. This is a all pet G
Yep.
with a D rocket. Ralph Bergfeld.
Green, yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
Wow, man, that really went. Poof. Oh, it deployed for.
Hey.
Yay!
All right.
Oh, it's riding the wind.
Sailing.
It's sailing.
The wind must be a little funky up there, huh?
Oh, it's going into the trees.
No, I think it's going past the field. Same spot. No, I think that's.
It's in the woods.
It's in the woods.
It's in the tree.
Okay, this is not the largest one we've ever done. Largest one of the day has an E9 rocket. We anticipate about 1,200 feet. Oh, that's not gonna. Oh.
Yellow, red. 3, 2, 1.
I think it was curved.
It popped, but it did not deploy into the sun.
Yeah, I lost that for sure.
Look into the sun now. I can't see.
Here we are looking for the rockets to see if they're recoverable after the launch day. Found one. Close to one. Well, there you go.